In this video, I'm going to show you an important thing that you must know. So keep watching this video till the end. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you an important thing which you must know as my subscriber. Alright. So as you know that I am sharing valuable content on make money online, CPA marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing and all that. So in all these things, the main thing we need is a website. This you all know that, okay? Without making a website, we can't earn money online in a better way. So you must have a website in order to earn from blogging, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing or anything else. Now as you know that there are multiple hosting websites which cost a lot but didn't provide a better service. So in this video I'm going to talk on this only. I'm going to discuss one of the best hosting provider services in this planet, and not only this, I'm going to tell you one best thing which you must know, okay, which you can't skip. So keep watching this video till the end. So as you can see over here, we are on the hostgator.in. So friends, don't just skip from here. I know that you're aware of Hostgator. It is a very good hosting service provider, but wait my dear friends, you don't even know a bit about this hosting company. Okay, so let me explain you in detail. So as you can see, it is a Hostgator, hostgator.in or hostgator.com. Alright, so there are multiple services, or as you can see that it is, and there are some products which they are offering, like in the web hosting they're providing shared hosting and Windows share hosting and open source web hosting, okay. And in the cloud section, as you can see, cloud web hosting, Google professional cloud and WordPress hosting and reseller hosting also. It means that if you want to buy hostings and then sell and want to make money online from this, so here also you need a hosting which you can see Linux reseller hosting and Windows reseller hosting, okay. And if you want your own VPS server hosting, so you can have a look at these and dedicated servers, alright. And domains, it is also a part of this Hostgator. They are also offering you domains along with the web hosting, alright. So if you want to just transfer a domain or want to buy a new domain, you can simply have a look at this. Now in the more section, as you can see, website security, code guard, site log, SSL. It means that they're also selling some add-ons like site log, SSL, code guard, which will make your website secure. Alright. Now in the email section, if you only want to purchase a business email, alright. So I mean you want to host a business email for your domain name, then you can have a look at these services. So overall there are multiple services which they are offering you, okay, like domains, web hostings, multiple types web hosting and website security, SSL certificates and all that, okay, business email. Now this you all know, but you don't know the features of the hostings and domains they are providing you, okay. First of all, as you can see, there are some hostings like domain, shared hosting, VPS and dedicated server. So I'm sure that majority of you will go in the shared hosting part or in the WordPress hosting part, okay. So for now, let me just click over here. So as you can see over here, select server location. First of all, you have to choose the server location. So in my case, you can go with India or US, it's up to you. Alright, so you can choose India if you are in India. Alright, so as you can see, there are 4 plans, basically starter, hustling, baby and business. So it's up to you, it's up to your budget and requirements, okay. So the main part is the features, what features you will get in a particular plan. Alright, for example, this plan, single domain, which means you can select, you can host only one website over here. And as you can see, you can host unlimited domains over here. So it is a big feature which you're getting in this plan, but not in these 2 plans. And as you can see, the cost is 1 month. I mean, if you want to go with 1 month plan, it is 600 per month, but it is very costly if you will go with 1 month. I will recommend you to go at least for 1 year. It will give you a great discount. As you can see, you are saving here 20%. Alright. So as you can see, free SSL certificate, database, email accounts are unlimited over here. So only the single domain, and if you want to host multiple websites, then this plan is the best for you. Now similarly, there are other plans, like if you will go in the WordPress hosting, you will find WordPress hosting plans which are also very affordable. Okay, startup performance, and as you know that Bluehost and HostGator are basically linked to each other. So powered by Bluehost, it is showing me it's good, and Bluehost is also one of the best hosting service on this planet. You all know this, all right? So here are some comparison plan which you can have a look. I mean, if you're confused to choose the best plan for your website, you can have a look at the comparison plan to make the decision. Okay, now let me come back to the shared hosting, because majority of you will go with shared hosting. All right, so as you can see over here, there are some features fakes which you can read to make your decision. Now what is the important part which I am going to show you in this video? Let me come to the main website of hostgator.in. all right, so here are some services like of managed VPS and dedicated hosting services, which is also very good if you want to just buy your own VPS hosting server, like 24/7 advanced contact support and highly trained expert technicians. So you will get all these features. Now find a domain name for your website. You can just buy a new domain of an extension, and as you can see, on 2-year purchase or 1 year, you can go with anyone. All right, now first of all, as you can see, 45-day guarantee. It means that if you are not happy with the HostGator services, then you can have a refund, but I'm sure that you will be happy. Okay, and 99.9% uptime you are getting over here. It means that your website speed is going to be very fast. Now let me quickly come to that topic for which you are over here. So as you can see, I have showed you these all hosting. So one thing you have noticed that EMI available. Now what is this? Shared hosting EMI available, Windows shared hosting, and as you can see in these VPS server EMI available, and as you can see there are some hostings which are offering you EMI. What is this? Let me have a look. As you can see, if you want to buy shared hosting, all right, so you have to click over here. Now first of all, you have to choose a server location, and then you have to just choose the plan which you want to purchase. For now, let me go with this one. Okay, this baby plan. So I want to skip this step. First of all, you have to choose your domain if you want to buy, and if you want to use your own domain, then you can even use that. So just wait a second. So as you can see over here, here is the multi-domain Linux hosting baby plan. Okay, now for what year you want, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 months, 6 months, 5. Okay, so it's up to you. So if you want to have a discount and want to save some amount of money, then you can go with at least 1 year plan. Okay, so currently I'm going with 1 year. Okay, it's good for you. So as you can see over here, 6,785. So the cost is total 6,785 rupees INR. So as you can see over here, the subtotal is this, and the discount, as you can see, the coupon code has been applied automatically. So because of this coupon code, you're going to get 1,437 rupees discount. So the net amount is this, and tax, okay, you have to pay the tax, and the gross total is 6,785. Now just wait a second. No cost EMI options available. Now what is this? You have to click on learn more if you want to learn more about this. As you can see, pay in easy monthly installments with zero interest. Now I'm sure that you may know what is no cost EMI. It is basically EMI without interest. For example, the amount is this 6,785. So this total amount will be divided in a particular number of months, and you have to pay in easy installments without paying any extra interest. And this is what no cost EMI means. Okay, so as you can see, pay in easy installments with zero interest. So if you want to have a call with them for more clarification, then you can even contact the sales team. Okay, so you can read over here like what is no cost EMI and how is no cost EMI calculated. Like the amount is 60,000. So interest payable to the bank 50% for 3 months. As you can see, the interest amount is this, will be given to as instant discount. Okay, no interest. Now month and monthly installment amount, like first month 20,000, second month 20,000, third month 20,000, and total is 60,000 without giving any interest. So you can have a contact or you can have a chat with them. You can even request a phone call from them if you want more clarification on this EMI topic. So for availing EMI, as you can see, what is EMI and why can't I see no cost EMI options on all products, and can I get no cost EMI option while renewing my order, can I combine discount coupons? So there are some fixes which you can read. For now, you have to click on continue. Now first of all, you have to create an account over here. Okay, so you have to, before purchasing the hosting, you have to create your Google account, or you can just sign up with the email. Or if you are existing customer, like if you have already created your account on a Hostgator, then you have to simply log in over here. Now all you have to do is simply, first of all, you have to create your account on Hostgator, and then you have to simply purchase the web hosting. Now after purchasing the web hosting, you are all set to make a website. Now on my channel there are multiple videos which will teach you how to make a website, okay, or you can even search on YouTube for other videos if you want, like how to build a WordPress website. In this video I have showed you everything on how to build a WordPress website step by step. All right, so let me cut this. You have to install theme and you have to activate plugins, use plugins. So completely in that video I've showed you how to make a website. Now purchasing the web hosting is a main part which you should focus more on, okay, because you should choose the best plan for your website. And this is the reason that I am showing you this Hostgator web hosting services, because this is really awesome. Okay, this is really awesome. As you can see, there are multiple websites which are hosted on Hostgator and they are happy with the services which it provides to them. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.